Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Hope all is well. We're over here on Hellride doing a demolition race. I'm not really too sure. It's in tournament mode. Let's go ahead and take the top. Oh boy, this could be bad. Okay, we're good. We made it out. We made it out. We're good. Yeah, sorry for the lack of Wreckfest videos. I know I got stoked. Oh my goodness. Okay. Go low. Jesus, this is not looking good. I know I said I could post more videos, but honestly, now I'm having problems with audio. I got the shadows, effects all figured out. Now I just need to figure out the whole audio thing, and I guess while recording, my whole hand was covering up the port where the microphone is on the phone. So now I have to hold my phone a little differently. We're going to see how this is. Hopefully I'll be able to upload this. Not really too worried about the race in itself. Just want to cause some chaos, post some Wreckfest, so that way y'all can enjoy some chaos in itself. Let's go ahead and take this again. I'm at 87 on the health. We're on lap 2 out of 2. Wow, short race. Short race. Oh, okay. Kickflip. Okay, we're good. Wrecked, head on. I gotta get 538,000 for, yo, look at this dude flipping. 538,000 just for bronze. Oh, hello. Alright, I don't think we're gonna do it, but Shovelhead is gonna go ahead and take the win. We're at 340,000. Trying to cause some chaos before I finish the race. And finish line. Alright, I got 387,000. Let me go ahead and stop this recording, check the audio, see how we're doing, and go from there. Okay, we're back. Audio sounds pretty good. Should be able to upload this. I'm going to start this race over, see if I can at least get a little closer to bronze. Maybe. Everybody's flying off the ramp. This is good. Oh, I guess we're going left. I mean, right. Dang, almost killed that dude. Oh, get out of here. These are good hits. 50,000 right there. These are really good hits. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I should have took the ramp. I tried to go after the dude, but oh well, it is what it is. I'm at 205 already though. Ooh, good hit. Peace out, buddy. Missed him. Missed opportunities right here. Yo, can I get 538,000 points? It just seems, that seems a little ridiculous here on Wreckfest, but it is what it is. Oh man, if I was 2 seconds earlier for that. Ow. Hold on, go ahead and reset. Yes, there we go. 378,000. Slowly but surely getting there. Yo, it's dark over here on this side of the track. Get him! Yes! I don't even care if I fell. I don't even care. Alright, come on, let's go. 436,000. I need to reset. How'd that dude still have like full health? Are you even racing? Get out of here, notifications. Oh, and I'm wrecked. We got 460,000. Okay, let's go ahead and try a race. Alright, still in tournament mode. They gave us a monster truck versus all of these little small guys. And it looks like all we gotta do is pretty much just win the race. Oh, forget them tires. And don't get it wrong, yo, these little guys, these are bullies. I'm not even gonna lie. Especially if you're playing on console. Oh, okay. Get it together. He's out of here. Okay, you're just gonna bully me off the track like that. That's great. Up to 21st. Fantastic. And we only have 2 laps to get this, try and get this done. Alright, we're making some moves here. We're up to 12. Get off of me. Don't hit me. Oh my gosh, I can't even exit the snap. Get out of there, get off the screen. Sorry, babe. Still love you, though. We're up to 9th. We're doing good. Oh, what's up, Hemi Breaker? You ain't breaking me, though. Alright, 8th position. Oh, this could be trouble for them. Yup. Get out of here. Come on, go, 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 go. 5th. Winner, Steel Fist. And I'm going to go ahead and take bronze in 5th position. Not bad for pretty much almost last. I think I got us down low as 21st position. But that's going to be it for today's episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's little episode of Wreckfest. And once again, kind of like a little testing out the audio, seeing how we're doing. But I think we're doing pretty good. Hope you guys have a great day, though. See you in the next one. Peace.